Nucleus. Like City Hall, the nucleus is the heart of the cell, or city in our analogy. City Hall directs all services in the city, as well as keeping records of their history.
Stuff waste in the cell, transporting it away swiftly and effectively. Garbage trucks, street cleaner, and other city services perform this duty in communities.
Cell wall. The cell wall is a key component in plant cells, protecting it from unwanted materials and bacteria. The police department performs a similar task, keeping the criminals off the streets of the city.
Chloroplasts perform photosynthesis, keeping the plant cell alive. Factories create products and materials a community could not function without. And in this way, factories are like chloroplasts.
Cell membrane is like the city limits because it's at the very outside or rim of the cell. It defends the cell from unwanted materials such as bacteria and waste products, etc. And in this way, it's like the city limits. The cytoplasm are like the buildings in the city because they contain all the important offices and departments and stuff. And they allow the organelles to move freely about the cell, like roads in a city. Mitochondria is like the shipping industry, trucks and trains, and other things in the city that transport products and stuff from one place to another. It also processes it by putting them into boxes and little packages to transport it out of the cell. A vacuole is like warehouses in a city because it stores important materials and water until they can be used by the cell or processed into other things. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulums. There's the smooth, which just transport proteins out of the cell like a highway, and then there's the rough ERs, which have ribosomes on them, which make proteins by combining sugars and glucose, forming complex structures. The ribosome is sometimes attached to the rough endoplasmic reticulum. This organelle combines sugars and glucose to make proteins, like a restaurant in the city that combines lots of vegetables and meat and stuff to make dishes.